You know, whenever you get in the car on that Saturday morning and you wake up looking for a good breakfast place? Well, let's go check out Harry's Breakfast and Pancakes. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina to have some breakfast.
So today's special, they got the grilled cheese, whole chicken noodle soup, lunch specials, all kind of specials. Harry's has been a favorite in the Myrtle Beach area to many people for years, and even Gator 107.9 agrees. They've been serving comfort food made with only the freshest ingredients since 1979.
Caramel macchiato, French vanilla, hazelnut, and pumpkin pie.
All right. That's the special coffee creamers. At Harry's Breakfast Pancakes, you can get all types of pancakes, French toast, waffles, fresh eggs, eggs Benedict, and much, much more, like omelets and wraps.
All right, I'm going to get the traditional eggs Benedict. She said the hollandaise sauce is out of this world.
All right.
Hash browns and fruits.
I'll take hash browns.
We got Sam with us. What you gonna get, Sam?
One or two.
Two.
French toast, special deluxe breakfast. Put pecans on it.
Oh yeah, that sounds
Oh,
good.
yeah,
Yeah, and I'm gonna get the Pete's special
which is
deluxe
his only
breakfast,
son.
right? Okay, which is his only
Harry's
son,
only
which is
son.
Harry's only son.
Yes.
And because they've been voted #1 in Myrtle Beach for the last 10 years, we decided to come and check them out.
Country Benedict with some hash browns on the side. Yummy.
All right, pecan waffle.
You are beautiful.
And Nikki got, what is this? The French toast? God, look how many French toast. You want one of mine? It was really a piece and a half.
Thank you. Yummy.
Pay up front. So
Look at
whenever
that.
you go to pay out, just offer them this as well. Okay? All right.
Poached egg. A lot of restaurants don't know how to do it up here. Let's see. Yes. Look at that. Very good. Is it good?
It's real good.
That was delicious, and I'll be good for nothing for the rest of the day. That was a quick look at Harry's Breakfast Pancake House. All right, next time you're in the area, make sure you stop in and get you some delicious pancakes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, so you too can keep beaching.
Here.